Hello everyone, today we will start exercise 5.2. Now since we know that this is the general form of AP, here first term of AP is A, second term is A plus D, third term equals to A plus 2D, fourth one is A plus 3D and up to so on. Similarly, nth term equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for nth term of AP. We are going to use this formula in the exercise 5.2. Now, exercise 5.2, first question is fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and AN is the nth term of AP. First part, A equals to 7, D equals to 3, N equals to 8 and we have to find the value of AN. Now, since we know that AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So after putting these values in this formula, we will have AN equals to A is 7 plus N minus 1, that is 8 minus 1 into D. D equals to 3. Next, 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7, 3 as it is. 7 plus 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 7 equals to 28. So AN equals to 28. In the second part, we have A equals to minus 18. We have to find the value of D, whereas N equals to 10 and AN equals to 0. Now, AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN equals to 0. A equals to minus 18, N equals to 10, 10 minus 1 equals to 9, D as it is. Now after taking minus 18 to the left hand side, we have 18 equals to 98, then dividing on both sides by 9, we will have D equals to 18 upon 9, that is 2. So difference equals to 2. In the third part, after putting the given values in this formula, we will have minus 5 equals to A plus N minus 1. 18 minus 1 equals to 17 into D minus 3. Minus 5 as it is equals to A plus minus 17 into 3 equals to 51. Now taking minus 51 to the left hand side, we will have minus 5 plus 51 equals to A. That is A equals to minus 5 plus 51. Minus 5 plus 51 equals to 46. So A equals to 46. In the fourth part also, after putting the given terms in this equation, we will get 3.6 equals to minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 into 2.5. Then taking minus 18.9 to the left hand side, we will have 3.6 plus 18.9 equals to n minus 1 into 2.5 as it is. Then adding these two terms, we will get 22.5. Then dividing both sides by 2.5, we will have 22.5 upon 2.5 on the left hand side and on the right hand side only n minus 1. Then to 22.5. Then dividing 22.5 by 2.5, we have 9 equals to n minus 1, which implies that n equals to 9 plus 1, that is 10. So n equals to 10. Now in the fifth part, A equals to 3.5, D equals to 0, N equals to 105, we have to find the value of AN. So AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D will become A equals to 3.5, N minus 1 equals to 104 and D equals to 0. 3.5 as it is plus 104 into 0 equals to 0. So AN equals to 3.5. Second question, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. First part, what is the 30th term of the given AP? Now here A equals to 10 and D equals to 7 minus 10, that is minus 3, and N equals to 30. So AN, that is A plus N minus 1 into D. Here A30, we need to find the 30th term, that is A30. So A equals to 10 and 30 minus 1 into D minus 3. So 10 plus 29 into minus 3 equals to 10 minus 9 3 27, 3 to 6 7 8. So 10 minus 87 equals to minus 77. So minus 77 is the 30th term of the given AP. In the second part, we need to find the 11th term of this AP, where A equals to minus 3 and D equals to minus 1.2 minus first term, that is minus 1.2 minus minus plus 3. After taking LCM, we will have D equals to minus 1 plus 6, that is 5 upon 2. So n equals to 11. So after putting the given values in this formula, we will get A11 equals to A plus n minus 1, that is 11 minus 1 equals to 10 into D, 5 upon 2. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 5, 10 implies minus 3 plus 5, 5, 25. Minus 3 plus 25 equals to 22. So 22 is the 11th term of the given AP. Third question, in the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. In the first part we have A equals to 2 and A3, that is A plus 2D equals to 23. So from first we have A equals to 2, putting this value of the A in the second equation, we will have 2 plus 2D equals to 26. Now after taking 2 to the right hand side, we will have 2D equals to 26 minus 2, that is 2D equals to 24. Now dividing both sides by 2, we will get D equals to 24 upon 2, that is 12. So difference is 12. Then we will get second term by adding difference to the first term. So A equals to 2, D equals to 12 implies our second term is 14. So the missing term is 14. In the second part, we are given with second term and fourth term. Here we need to find the first one and the third term. Now A2 equals to A plus D and A4 equals to A plus 3D. This is our first and this is our second equation. So now finding the value of A from the first one, we will have A equals to 13 minus D. Now substitute this value of A in the second one, so we will get 3 equals to 13 minus D plus 3D. That is 13 minus D plus 3D, minus plus minus. After taking 13 to the left hand side, we will get 3 minus 13 equals to minus 10. So from here we get that D equals to minus 10 upon 2, that is minus 5. Now substitute this value of D in this equation, so we will have A equals to 13 minus D equals to minus 5, that is 13 plus 5 equals to 18. So first term is 18 and third term will be A plus 2D. A equals to 18 and D equals to minus 5. So we have 18 minus 10 equals to 8. So the missing terms are 18 and 8. In the third part, we have A equals to 5 and A4 equals to 9 1 upon 2. That is 19 upon 2. So substitute this value of A in the second equation. So we will have 5 plus 3D equals to 19 upon 2. Now taking 5 to the right hand side, we will get 19 upon 2 minus 5. After taking LCM, it will become 9 upon 2. So 3D equals to 9 upon 2, which implies D equals to 9 upon 2 into 3. 3, 3, 9. So D equals to 3 upon 2. Now A2 equals to A plus D implies A is 5 and D is 3 upon 2. After taking LCM, we have 10 plus 3 upon 2, that is 13 upon 2. Now third term equals to second term plus difference. Second term is 13 upon 2 and difference is 3 upon 2. After adding these two we will get 8. So third term is 8 and second term is 13 upon 2. In the fourth part, a equals to minus 4 and sixth term, that is a plus 5t, equals to 6. Now substituting this value in the second one, we will get minus 4 plus 5t equals to 6. That is 5t equals to 6 plus 4 implies d equals to 10 upon 5. So difference is 2, which implies second term equals to a plus d. A equals to minus 4 and d equals to 2. So second term is minus 2. Third term equals to a2 plus d. a2 is minus 2 and difference is 2. So third term equals to 0. Now fourth term equals to third term plus difference. Fourth term is 2 and fifth term will be fourth term plus difference. Fourth term is 2 and difference is 2. So it will be 4. So the missing terms are minus 2, 0, 2 and 4. In the fifth part, a2, that is a plus t, equals to 38 and a6, that is a plus 5t, equals to minus 22. So these two are our required equations. By elimination method, we will have, that is after subtracting these two equations, we will have a minus a, 0, d minus 5t equals to minus 4d, and 38 plus 22 equals to 60. So d equals to 60 upon minus 4, that is 4 1 4 2 4 5 20. D equals to minus 15. So now putting this value of d in the first equation, we will have a plus d equals to 38. That is a equals to 38 plus minus minus, and minus on taking right hand side will become plus. So a equals to 53. So the missing terms are a1 equals to 53, a3 equals to second term plus difference, that is 23, fourth term equals to third term plus difference, that is 8, and fifth term equals to fourth term plus difference, that is 8 minus 15 equals to minus 7. So a1, a3, a4, a5 are given here. Fourth question, which term of AP is 78? So here we need to find the n, for which a equals to 3, d equals to 8 minus 3, that is 5, and an is 78. So first of all write the formula. An equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is 78, a equals to 3, we need to find n, for which d equals to 5. Now taking 3 to the left hand side, 78 minus 3, that is 75. Now taking 5 to the left hand side, we will have 515, 55, 25, n equals to 15 plus 1, that is 16. So 16th term will be 78. Fifth question, find the number of terms in each of the following APs. First part, 7, 13, 9 and up to 205. Here a equals to 7, d equals to 13 minus 7, that is 6, and an is 205. We need to find the n, for which last term is 205. That is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into difference 205 minus 7 upon 6 equals to n minus 1. Now 205 minus 7 equals to 198, and 198 upon 6 equals to 33. So n minus 1 equals to 33 implies n equals to 34, which implies that 34th term will be 205. That this AP contain total 34 terms and the last term is 205. In the second part, a equals to 18, d equals to second term minus first term, that is minus 5 upon 2, Nth term is minus 47. We need to find the n. So after putting all these values in this equation, in this formula, we will get minus 47 equals to 18 plus n minus 1 into d, that is minus 5 upon 2. Now taking 18 to the left hand side, it will become minus 18. In the next step, taking minus 5 upon 2 to the left hand side, it will become minus 2 upon 5. Then after solving, we will get minus 13 into minus 2 equals to n minus 1. Multiplying these two, we will get 26 equals to n minus 1. So n equals to 26 plus 1, that is 27. So this AP will contain 27 terms. Sixth question, check whether minus 150 is a term of the given AP. Now to check, if a positive n exists, only then minus 150 will be a term of the given integer. So here a is 11, d is minus 3, an is minus 150. We need to find the value of n. After putting these values in the given formula, that is n equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, we have n equals to 54.6. Here n is not an integer because 54.6 is not an integer. So minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. Seventh question, find the 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So 11th term is 38 implies a plus 10d equals to 38 by nth term formula, and a16, that is a plus 15d equals to 73. We need to find a31, that is a plus 30d. A minus a equals to 0, 10 minus 15 equals to minus 5t, 38 minus 73 equals to minus 35. So d equals to minus 35 upon minus 5, that is 7. Difference is 7, which implies that a equals to, from the first equation we have a equals to 38 minus 10d. From this equation a equals to 38 minus 10d, that is 38 minus 10 into 7, 38 minus 70. After subtracting this, we will get 70 minus 38 equals to 6 upon 3, that is minus 32. Now from the first equation we will have a equals to 38 minus 10d. After putting the value of t, we will get a equals to minus 32. Now 31st term, that is a plus 30d equals to a equals to minus 32, d equals to 7. Now minus 32 plus 30 into 7 equals to 210. Minus 32 plus 210 equals to 178. So 31st term of the given AP is 178. Eighth question, an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So number of terms are 50. Third term, that is A3 equals to 12, and last term, that is A50 equals to 106. We need to find the 29th term. So now A3, that is a plus 2d equals to 12, and a50, that is a plus 49d equals to 106. By elimination method, that is by subtracting these two equations, we will have a minus a 0, 2 minus 49 equals to minus 47d, and 12 minus 106, that is 106 minus 12 equals to 94. Minus 94, because the greater number contains minus. Now d equals to minus 94 upon minus 47, that is 2. Difference is 2. After putting the value of d in this equation, we will get a plus 2 d equals to 12. That is a plus 4 equals to 12 implies a equals to 12 minus 4, that is 8. So a is 8 and d is 2. So a29 equals to a plus 28d by nth term formula. A equals to 8 and d equals to 2. 8 plus 28 into 2 equals to 8 to 16, 2 to 4 and 5. 8 plus 56 equals to 64. So 29th term of the given AP is 64. Ninth question. If the third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Now, third term, that is A3 equals to 4, that is A plus 2D equals to 4, and ninth term, that is A plus 8D equals to minus 8. We need to find the value of n for which an equals to 0. So for this, solve these two equations. First of all, by elimination method, a minus a is 0, 2 minus 8 equals to minus 16, and 4 plus 8 equals to 12, which implies d equals to 12 upon minus 6, that is minus 2. Now putting this value of d in the first equation, we will get a plus 2d equals to 4, that is a minus 4 equals to 4, and a equals to 4 plus 4, that is after taking minus 4 to the right hand side, it will become plus 4. Now 4 plus 4 is 8. So a is 8 and d equals to minus 2. Now we are given that an equals to 0 and find the value of n. So a equals to 8, d equals to minus 2, an equals to 0, find n. So taking 8 to the left hand side, we will have 0 minus 8 equals to n minus 1 into minus 2. Now taking minus 2 to the left hand side, we will have minus 8 upon minus 2. Now minus minus cancel each other and 8 upon 2 equals to 4. So n minus 1 equals to 4, which implies that n equals to 4 plus 1. After taking minus 1 to the left hand side, we will have 4 plus 1 equals to n. So n equals to 5, which implies that fifth term of the given AP equals to 0. That is A5 equals to 0. 10th question. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Now, it's given that 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. That is, after adding 7 to the 10th term, we will get 17th term. We need to find the difference D. So, A17 equals to A plus 16D by nth formula, and A10 equals to A plus 9D plus 7 as it is. After taking all the terms to the left hand side, we will get minus A minus 9D minus 7 equals to 0. A minus A is 0. 16D minus 9D equals to 7D minus 7 equals to 0. Now 7D equals to 7 after taking minus 7 to the right hand side, and D equals to 7 upon 7 after taking 7 to the right hand side. We will have D equals to 1. So difference is 1. 10th question. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? That is, we need to find the value of n for which given term will be 132 more than its 54th term. From the AP we have A equals to 3 and D equals to 13 minus 3, that is 12. Now an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, 132 as it is, and a54 equals to a plus 53 d. So a equals to 3, n minus 1 as it is, d equals to 12, 132 plus a equals to 3 plus 53, and d equals to 12. Now right hand side after solving will become equals to 771. So n minus 1 into 12 equals to 771 minus 3 after taking 3 to the right hand side. So after subtracting these two numbers, we will have 768. Now n minus 1 equals to 768 upon 12 after taking 12 to the right hand side. It will become equals to 64. So n minus 1 equals to 64, which implies n equals to 64 plus 1, that is 65. It implies that 65th term will be 132 more than its 54th term. That is A65 equals to 132 plus A54. 12th question. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? So let A plus T, A plus 2D up to A plus N minus 1D and capital A plus D up to A plus N minus 1 into D be the two APs, where small a be the first term of the first AP and capital A be the first term of the second AP, and D is the common difference between the two APs. Now, 100th term of the first AP will be A plus 100 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 99D, and 100th term of the second AP will be A plus 100 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 99D. It's given that difference between their 100th term equals to 100, that is A plus 99D minus A plus 99D equals to 100, that is A minus capital A plus 99D and plus minus 99D equals to 100. After taking 99 common, we will have D minus D equals to 100, that is D minus D equals to 0. Simply we can cancel out each other. 99D minus 99D equals to 0. So we have small a minus capital A equals to 100. Now we need to find the difference between their 1000th term. That is 1000th term of the first AP will be first term plus 1000 minus 1, 999, and the difference from the nth term formula, and 1000th term of the second AP will be A plus 1000 minus 1, that is 999, into D. A plus 999D minus A minus plus minus 999D. 999D minus 999D equals to 0. So we have A minus capital A equals to A minus capital A plus 0 equals to A minus A. So difference between their 1000th term is A minus A, and A minus capital equals to 100. So we have difference between their 1000th term equals to 100. A minus capital equals to 100 from this equation. Question number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Now 100, 101, 102 up to 999 are the 3-digit numbers, from where 105 is the smallest and 994 is the largest 3-digit number that are divisible by 7. So 105, 112 up to 994 are the series of the numbers which are divisible by 7. So here A equals to 105, difference equals to 7, An is 994, we need to find n. So by nth term formula, An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. An equals to 994, A equals to 105, n minus 1, D equals to 7. So 994 minus 105 upon 7 equals to n minus 1. 994 minus 105 equals to 889 upon 7 equals to n minus 1. 889 divided by 7 equals to 127. So n equals to 127 plus 1, that is 128. Therefore 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. 14th question. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? So the first multiple of 4 that is greater than 10 is 12. Next will be 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4 20 and up to 248, because 250 is not a multiple of 4, also 249 is not a multiple of 4. So 248 is the last multiple of 4 in between 10 and 250. It forms an AP where A equals to 12, D equals to 4 and AN is 248. By nth term formula, we have AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 248, A equals to 12, N minus 1 into D. Now 248 minus 12 upon 4 equals to N minus 1. 248 minus 12 equals to 236. When divided by 4, we have 248 minus 12 upon 4 equals to 59, N minus 1 as it is. Now N equals to 59 plus 1, that is 60. So there are 60 multiples of 4 that lies between 10 and 250. 15th question. For what value of n are the nth terms of the two APs equal? Now nth term of the first AP equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, that is 63 plus N minus 1 into D. D equals to 65 minus 63, that is 2. So 63 plus 2n minus 2 is the nth term of the first AP. For the second AP, AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. D equals to 10 minus 3, that is 7. So 3 plus 7n minus 7 is the nth term of the second AP. Since it's given that nth terms of the two APs are equal, so nth term of the first AP equals to nth term of the second AP. After solving, we have n equals to 13. Therefore, the 13th term of both APs are equal. Question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Third term is 16 and seventh term is greater than the fifth term by 12. Now A3 equals to A plus 2D and A7 equals to A plus 60. A5, that is fifth term, equals to A plus 4D plus 12. After solving, we have A plus 60 minus A minus 4D minus 12 equals to 0. That is, after taking these terms to the left hand side, we have this A minus A equals to 0. 60 minus 4D equals to 2D minus 12 equals to 0. 2D equals to 12 implies D equals to 12 upon 2, that is 6. So the difference is 6. After putting the value of D in this equation, we will have 6 plus 2D equals to 16. That is 6. A plus 2 into 6, 12. A equals to 16 minus 12, that is 4. After solving, we have A equals to 4, D equals to 6. So AP is first term 4, second term A plus T, that is 10. Next term A plus 2D, that is 16, 22, up to so on. 17th question. Find 20th term from the last term of the given AP. Here, this is the given AP. To find the 20th term from the last, write this AP in the reverse order. So the reverse order of the given AP is 253, 13, 8 and 3. Here A equals to 253, D equals to 8 minus 13, that is minus 5, and AN last term 3. N equals to 20. So by nth term formula, A20 equals to A plus 20 minus 1, that is 19, and D minus 5. 253 minus 95 equals to 158. So 158 is the 20th term of this AP and 20th term from the last of this AP. 18th question. Sum of the 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24 and sum of the 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first three terms of the AP. So here 4th term and 8th term, after adding we will have 24 and sum of the 6th and the 10th term is 44. A4 equals to, that is 4th term is A plus 3D and 8th term is A plus 7D from nth term formula. A plus A equals to 2A, 3 plus 7 equals to 10. After taking 2 common, we will have A plus 5t and dividing both sides by 2, we will have A plus 5t equals to 12. Similarly, 6th term equals to A plus 5t and 10th term equals to A plus 9t. A plus A equals to 2A, 5t plus 9d equals to 14d. After taking 2 common, we will have 2 into A plus 7d equals to 44. Now dividing both sides by 2, we will have A plus 7d equals to 22. Now subtracting first from the second equation, we will have A plus 7d, A plus 5d, changing the signs, A minus A 0, 7 minus 5 equals to 2d and 22 minus 12 equals to 10, which implies d equals to 10 upon 2, 5. Difference is 5. So putting this value of d in the first equation, we will have A plus 5 into d equals to 12. That is A plus 5, 5, 25 equals to 12. A equals to 12 minus 25. So A equals to minus 13. So minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3 are the first three terms of the given AP. Question number 19. Subha Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? Since his salary increases by rupees 200 every year, so it forms an AP with first term 5,000, difference 200 and nth term 7,000. We need to find the value of n. So by nth term formula, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. After solving, we have n equals to 11. That is, in the 11th year, his salary will be 7,000. Question number 20. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly saving by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become rupees 20.75, find n. So in this question, a equals to 5, d equals to 1.75 and an equals to 20.75. After putting all these values in the nth term formula, we will have n equals to 10. That is, in the 10th week, her savings will be rupees 20.75.